Hello and welcome to the Daily Rebirth. We're thrilled to have you with us today. Now let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about paradigms here. Bob Proctor emphasizes that our paradigms, those ingrained belief systems, control our lives. Imagine your mind as a program running on autopilot. This software, if you will, influences everything from your thoughts to your actions, and ultimately, your results. Think of it this way, our paradigms are like the operating systems of our minds. They've been installed since childhood, and they're running in the background, influencing our every move. And guess what? The majority of these programs were not installed by choice. They were inherited from our families, our cultures, our past experiences. But here's the catch. These paradigms can either propel us towards success or hold us back from it. And it's not just about money, it's about our relationships, our health, our happiness, everything. You see, our beliefs are like filters through which we see the world, and they shape our reality. Your current financial situation, be it overflowing abundance or crippling scarcity, is a direct reflection of your paradigm. If you're not happy with where you are financially, it's not your job, your boss, or the economy. It's your paradigm. Changing it, therefore, is the key to unlocking a new reality, a reality where wealth flows effortlessly into your life. It's not about working harder or longer, it's about working smarter. It's about changing your beliefs, your mindset, your paradigm. But how do you change your paradigm? It's not as easy as flipping a switch, but it's not as hard as you might think either. It starts with awareness. It starts with understanding that you are not your thoughts. You are the thinker of your thoughts. You have the power to choose your thoughts, to choose your beliefs, to choose your paradigm. And this, my friends, is where the magic happens. When you start choosing empowering beliefs, when you start choosing an abundance paradigm, you start creating an abundance reality. Now let's hear it from Bob himself. Bob Proctor teaches us that our minds are incredibly powerful. Our conscious mind has the ability to choose thoughts, accept or reject information. This is control center, the decision maker, the part of your mind that you are aware of. It has the capability to think, form ideas and make decisions. It's the master of your mental ship, the captain of your cerebral seascape. The conscious mind is a magnificent thing. It can conjure up dreams of a better future. It can question, it can analyze, it can lead. But it can only do so if we give it the freedom to think beyond what we already know, if we feed it with positive, empowering thoughts. But let's not forget about the other part of our mind, the subconscious. This is the part of our mind that operates below our normal level of waking consciousness. It's like the engine room of a ship, unseen but immensely powerful. It's working 24/7, controlling our body functions, storing memories, and shaping our emotions. The subconscious mind is like fertile soil. It accepts whatever seeds we plant within it, whether the seeds of success or failure. It doesn't discriminate. It doesn't judge. It simply accepts and then goes to work to manifest those seeds into our reality. And this is where the power really lies. Think of your mind as a garden. Your conscious mind, the gardener, has the ability to choose what seeds to plant. These seeds are your thoughts, your beliefs, your desires, and your subconscious mind, the fertile soil, accepts these seeds unquestioningly and begins to grow them. The seeds of wealth, prosperity, and success are all within your grasp. You just need to them in your mind. You need to believe in them, nurture them, and then watch as they sprout and grow into tangible reality. So what seeds are you planting in your mind? Are they seeds of doubt and fear, or are they seeds of confidence and success? Remember, the conscious mind is the gatekeeper. It has the power to accept or reject any thought. It can choose to plant seeds of success or allow weeds of negativity to take root. But the power doesn't stop there. Once you've planted the seeds, your subconscious mind takes over. It works tirelessly to grow these seeds, to transform them from mere thoughts into actual experiences. This is the power of your mind. This is how you can shape your reality and create the life you've always dreamed of. So harness this power. Use your conscious mind to plant positive, empowering seeds. Then let your subconscious mind do its magic and transform these seeds into your reality. Remember, you're the gardener of your mind. You have the power to choose the seeds you plant, which will eventually determine the fruits you reap in life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you're enjoying our content. Your support helps us keep bringing you more of these empowering insights. Now that we understand the importance of paradigms, let's delve into the mental faculties that can reshape our reality right here on The Daily Rebirth. Bob Proctor identifies 6 key mental faculties: perception, will, imagination, memory, intuition, and reason. These aren't just abstract concepts, they are tools we can use to actively shape our lives and our financial future. Perception is our ability to interpret the world around us. It's how we see and understand situations, how we interpret events, and how we decide what actions to take. Perception is a powerful tool because it shapes our reality. If we perceive a situation as an opportunity rather than a problem, we approach it with a completely different mindset. Will is our ability to focus and concentrate. It's the power to direct our thoughts and energies towards a specific goal. It's what enables us to persevere, to push through obstacles, to stay focused on our goals, regardless of the challenges we face. Imagination is not just for artists and writers. It's a creative power that we all possess. It's the ability to visualize, to dream, to see not just what is, but what could be. Imagination allows us to envision a future of wealth and success, and to create a mental blueprint for achieving it. Memory is not just about remembering facts or events. It's about learning from our experiences, about recognizing patterns, about drawing on our past to better navigate our present and future. Memory helps us avoid past mistakes and replicate past successes. Intuition is that gut feeling, that inner voice that often guides us when logic alone is not enough. It's a sense of knowing, a feeling that something is right or wrong, even if we can't explain why. Intuition can guide us towards opportunities and warn us of potential pitfalls. Reason is our ability to analyze, to think critically, to make decisions based on logic and evidence. It's what enables us to plan, to strategize, to weigh the pros and cons of different courses of action. These mental faculties aren't just innate abilities, they're skills that we can develop and strengthen with practice. By consciously directing them towards our financial goals, we can shape our reality and create the wealth we desire. Take a moment to reflect on how you've been using these mental faculties in your life. Are you consciously directing them toward creating the wealth you desire? Or have you been letting them run on autopilot, guided by old paradigms and limiting beliefs? The choice is yours. You have the power to shape your reality, to create the life and the wealth you desire. It's all in your mind, so use it wisely. As we wrap up here on The Daily Rebirth, remember, the only way to become rich in 2024 is by taking control of your own destiny. You've understood the power of paradigms, the potency of your mind, and the capabilities of your mental faculties. Now it's time to harness them, to carve your path to financial freedom and success. Creating wealth isn't a game of chance. It's not about waiting for the right lottery ticket or the perfect investment. No, it's about understanding the power within you. It's about recognizing that you have the ability to shape your future, to dictate the course of your life. It's about realizing that your wealth, your success, and your happiness, they all stem from you. Bob Proctor's teachings illuminate this truth. He emphasizes that our financial reality is a direct reflection of our inner beliefs, our paradigms. It's these ingrained patterns of thought that steer our actions, that determine our results. If you want to change your financial situation, you need to start by reshaping your paradigm. Your mind is an incredibly powerful tool. Your conscious mind, the gardener, chooses the seeds of thought. Your subconscious mind, the fertile soil, nurtures these seeds, allowing them to grow and flourish. The fruits you reap, your success, is a direct result of the seeds you plant. And your mental faculties, they're your compass, guiding you along your journey. Perception, will, imagination, memory, intuition, and reason. These are the tools at your disposal. Use them wisely, direct them consciously, and you'll find the path to wealth becomes clearer. So, as we conclude, remember, your future is in your hands. The power to change, to grow, to succeed, it all lies within you. Don't wait for luck to come knocking. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity to fall into your lap. Take control, shape your destiny, create the life you've always dreamed of. Stay inspired, stay focused, and remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself.